Most business owners don't actually have a marketing problem. They have a consistency problem. And every month, it just feels like they're starting over again. You need another post. You need another promotion, another lead magnet, another idea. And you're still wondering, where is next month's customers going to come from? That's what the monthly growth machine is designed to fix. Okay, instead of 20 marketing strategies, you build one relatable monthly system. And there are really only 4 pieces to it. You have a weekly webinar, then you do a monthly workshop, strategic partners, and this is iffy. You don't have to use these, but then you're going to have an email list connecting everything together. Okay, so first you run one simple webinar every week. You teach one useful idea, and this is related to the problem your customers already have. And you're not trying to teach everything that you know. You're helping the right people. You understand their problem differently, and that's how you build trust. And now people have a predictable way to enter your world every single week. But the monthly workshop is where it gets interesting. Okay? Once a month, you run a 3-day workshop. This gives people enough time to actually make progress with you. You know, they're going to spend time with you. They're going to learn who you are. They're going to understand what you are about. They're going to know over 3 days if you're actually somebody that can help them or if you're just full of beans, right? So here's how it goes. Day 1 helps them understand the real problem. Day 2 helps them build the solution. So whatever it is that you were talking about, what the whole idea is of this workshop, Day 2 is going to be the thing that helps them actually do it. And then Day 3 helps them implement it. After spending 3 days with you, some people naturally want more help. And that's where your paid offer fits. But here's what makes this thing completely different. You don't have to build the entire audience yourself. You can grow through strategic partners. Okay? You can tap into other people's lists. So what you do is you find people who already serve your ideal customer, but make sure that they sell something different from what you sell. Now, another great thing that Michelle has done, she's been doing these monthly workshops for over a year now, and we built our entire Easy AI community with nothing but workshops. It's done over $15,000 in sales, and it's continuing to grow all the time because of this jump start with the monthly workshops. You can also bring people in to be on your workshops that handle maybe some objections that you might have. So whatever it is that you're selling, if there's like an objection that you get all the time, you might be able to find some strategic partner or a guest that can come on or an expert that can come on, and they can basically solve that objection for you. And we'll get more into that in some other videos, but you invite those people into your workshop. They introduce you to their audience, you introduce them to your audience, and everybody gets something valuable. Now, you're not constantly chasing followers. You're building relationships with people who already have access to your perfect customers. That's what makes this thing great. Let's say you're a golf expert. You might bring somebody in to talk about golf balls, somebody to talk about golf clubs, somebody to talk about golf courses, and maybe what you're selling is golf training. None of those things compete, but they could help out with each thing, right? And then what happens is email connects the entire machine together. Okay. Someone attends your webinar, then they join your list, then you invite them to a workshop. It's really simple. Now, some people buy immediately, others aren't ready yet, and that's totally fine. They stay connected until the timing makes sense for them. So you're going to be nurturing them in your emails. They'll see you in other content. It works out really good. Then you repeat the system next month. The webinar builds trust, the workshop creates momentum, and then the partners grow the audience. And you don't always have to have the partners come in. Okay, this can be something that is per workshop that makes the most sense. But the thing is email keeps them connected. That's the monthly growth machine. And here's what's crazy. You don't have to worry about what you should post today. All right. You build one growth system, then you make that system better every single month. Because once you do one workshop, it'll create all the content you need for the next month. It'll create your emails. It'll create all the ideas for YouTube videos to promote. You'll know what to email your list because in the doing of the workshop, it happens through Zoom. And then you can take all the chat text, all the transcripts from all 3 days, from your VIP, from your daily posting, everything. And you can take all that, stick it into AI, and it'll tell you what's missing, what we need more of. So it's a beautiful thing. You do one action each month and it takes care of all of your marketing, all inside of that one action. It's super efficient. So if you want to learn more about how the monthly growth machine works, I have a link down in the description. You can go watch a full training where Michelle actually breaks it down step by step. There is zero fluff in this video. This is not some sales pitch type video. It's literally, you can watch it and you can learn everything you need to know to start implementing and using these workshops right away. If you have questions about this, tell me down in the comments. If you like videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you over in the next video.